students. We will be continuing our problems on your hypergeometric distribution. Okay. So last class we have been seeing how to calculate mean and standard deviation. So today in here we will be seeing finding of the probability. Okay, where x will be given here. See your fifth problem. In a hypergeometric distribution, if a is 6 and b is 9 and n is 4, find probability x is 2. Okay, if p of x is 2, we need to find the p of x2. So here the probability mass function of hypergeometric distribution is x. So p of x is equals to ACN. Okay, where I will be having ACX. Sorry, it is ACX into BCN minus x divided by A plus B CN. Okay, so A is equal ACX is the probability of success, then into B and C minus x, then A plus B CN is the formula where x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to minimum AN. Then A, B, N are positive interior and greater than 0. Okay. Here, when my x is, so this is the normal one. Okay. Then what is given for us? Given A is 6, B is 9, N is 4, and P of x, that is x is equals to 2, is given for us here. Now probability mass function is where I need to substitute the formula, that is P2 is equals to P2, that is, so before that we will write only the formula, that is P of x is equals to A is 6 C x into B is 9 C4 minus x divided by 6 plus 9 C4. Okay, where my x is, okay, that is where x is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3. Minimum A is how much? A is 6 and N is 4. So x is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So minimum term is 4 here. We will be taking here. Next, we have to find it for my P of x2. That is P2 will be 6C2 into 9C4 minus 2 divided by 6 plus 9 is 15. So 15C4. Taking the factorial forms, okay? 6, 2 factorial here. So that will be 6, 5. Then 2, 1, 3. Here I will get 6 into 5 divided by 2 into 1, 1, 3. Here I will get 15. Next, 9 fours factorial. 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 4, 2 will get cancelled. 1, 2. Okay, 9 into 7. 9 into 7. 9 with 9 into 8 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 8, 7, 6, 3240. As here px2, okay, px2 is equals to 6c2 into 9c4 minus 2, then 15 c4, okay. So here I need to take the factorial. So 6 into 5 divided by 2 into 1. 1 and 1 I will get here 15. Next 9 minus, so 9 4 2, 4 minus 2 is 2. So here I will get 9 into 8 divided by 2 into 1. 1s are 4s are 9 4s are 36. So here I will get 15 into 36 divided by then 15c4. So 15, 14, 13, 12 divided by 4, 3, 2, 1. So 4 1s are 4 3s are 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 2 1s are 7s are. Here I will get 15 into 7 into 13. Yeah, I will get here 1365. So that is 15 into 36. I will get here 540 divided by 1365. 1365. I will get my P2 will be 0.3956. 0.3956 will be my P. Yeah, see here in this problem they have been asked you problem number 5. In a hypergeometric distribution, if A, B and N is given, they have asked us to find out the probability of 2. So till here the whatever is there in now third part you will write. From here you will be substituting in the problem. Next, moving on to the sixth problem. See here, this is your sixth problem. Okay, in the sixth problem, students prepare for an examination studies only 20 out of 25 sections. So total classes, okay, section is where it represents the classes. Prescribed. If the teacher selected 10 classes at random, what is the probability that the students will have to study 9 of these sections? So here they are given as total classes, that is A plus B. Then we will take 20 what the student has studied as the A. Then random we have to find out is my 9, okay. So N they are given as 10 here. So let X be the section studied by the students we need to find out. So denotation of X. So let X denotes the number of sections studied by the student. By the students. Okay. Next here, then my probability, then X follows hypergeometric, that is A, B, N. A, B and N is the followation here. Then what is A here? A is 20, then A plus B is 25, B is 5. 25 minus 20, I will get my B. A plus B minus A, I will get my B. And what is the N the teacher is being selected? That is 10. N is 10. I need to find, what we need to find here? I need to find that P of X is equals to 9. I need to find out What is these sections that he needs to study? The 9 sections. Then the probability mass function of hyper geometric distribution is x. So P of x is equals to ACx into B Cn minus x divided by A plus B Cn, okay, where x is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to minimum An, and A, B, N are interiors which is positive, okay, which is positive and greater than 0 here. What is given for us? So given, already I have taken here given, okay. So don't need to take the given here, just substitute the values, okay. That is 20A is 20 Cx into 5C n is 10 minus x divided by 20 plus 5 C by 10, okay. This is the formula where x is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to my A is 20, n is 10. So my x will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minimum term is 10 here. My x will be 10. Now I need to find out Px is equals to 9. That is P9 is equals to 20C9 into 5C 10 minus 9 divided by 20 plus 5C 10. This one I can write it as 20 by 9, okay. So I will do the workout here. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. So 3, 12. Then this side will be 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I will cancel like this. 1s are 6 are 6 and 6 will get cancelled. 1s are 5s are 5 and 5 get cancelled. 1s are 4s are 4 1s are 2s are 2 1s are 2 9s are 9 and 9 will get cancelled. So I will be remaining with 7. So here I will get 20 into 19 into 17 into 14 into 13 divided by 7. I'll get 167. So what are the terms left here? 20, 19, then 17, 14, 13 is left over. Then here 7 is left over. I will get here 167,960. Then next is 510C. So 10 minus 9 is 1. 5 by 1 is, I will get here 5 divided by 25 C10, okay. So 25 I should take 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, then 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 terms is 3 till 16. Then here it is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 ones are 8s are 8 and 8 will get cancelled. And then 3 ones are 7s are 7 and 7 will get cancelled. 5 ones are 4s are 4 and 4 will get cancelled. 6 3s are, then here it is 9s are 9 and 9 will get cancelled. 3 1s are 3 8s are, then 2 5s are 2 11s are, 5 1s are 5s are. So here I will get 5 into 8 into 23 into 11 into 19 into 17. I will get here 25 into 24 into 23 into 22, 5 into 8 into 23 into 11 into 19 into 17. Yeah, I will get here 3 2 6 8 7 6 0. 3 2 6 8 7 2 0. Then multiply this one with 5. 1 6 7 9 6 0 into 5. I will get here 8 3 9 8 0 divided by 3 2 6 8 7 6 0 divided by 3 2 6 8 7 6 0. So here I will get my P of x is 0.2569. 0.2569 is my probability where we have to study that 9 sections. Okay, in random selection of 9 section, the probability is so much. See here in this problem they have asked directly what we have to find, P of x. Here they are given the statement problem. So total classes are given. In that one what student is studying is given. What they selected random selection is n is denoted. We need to find out the x. Okay, x also is given as 9. And x is equals to 9. Next, moving on to next problem. We have more 2 problems here. This is your 7th problem. We have a 2 problem. So one I will be doing, another one you people will be doing here. Okay, as a homework. See here there are 50 lectures in a college. How many lectures are there? 50 lectures in a college. Out of them 23 belongs to science faculties. Okay, so science faculties are 23. The college builds 5 courses. What it is building? 5 courses, and it allows randomly. What it allows randomly the courses to 5 lecturers. Find the probability that the courses allotted to the science lecturers. So what we have to see here, they are building 5 courses. They are building. Okay, randomly they are selecting 5 lectures. We have to see what is the probability that the 5 quarters goes for their science faculties. So here x denotes. So let x denotes the number of quarters allotted to what is the allotment of science lectures? Then X follows hypergeometry, that is A, B, N. So my interiors in my hypergeometries are my A, B, N. Then the formula is the probability mass function of hypergeometric distribution is, that is P of X is equals to ACX into ACX into BCN minus X divided by A plus BCN. Okay, this is the formula. The ACX into BCN minus X, then A plus BX. Okay, where X is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, minimum A, N, then A, B, N are positive integers and it is greater than 0. So this is the normal formula which we will be writing. So what is given here? Given A, that is let the science lectures belongs to A, then A plus B is 50, then B is 27. B is 27 year, and N, the selection of allotment is 5 year. We need to find out that probability of 5, that is all the lectures 5 are from the science department. Okay, so here we will be taking the values, that is so A is what here? 23C X into B is how much? 27. N is 5 minus X divided by 23 plus 27. C, N is 5. So this one we need to substitute here. So where my X is, where X is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, minimum A and N. A and N is, A is 23 and N is 5. So my X will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X is still 5. So we need to substitute, we have to find out your P of X is equals to 5. That is P5 will be 23C5 into 27C5 minus 5 divided by 23 plus 27C5. C5. Now here 23 into 5. So 23, 22, 21, 24 and 19. Then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 20 will get cancelled. Okay. Then 1s are 7s are 1s are 11s are. So here I will remain with 23 into 11. So 23 into 11 into 7 into 19. I'll get here 3,364 9 into 27 1 year. So anything with 1 will be a 1 divided by then 55 C5. So here 50, 49, 48, 47, 46 divided by 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1s are 10s are 1s are 5s are. So 1s are 1, 2, 3 ones are 4s are. Here I will remain with 5 into 49 into 4 into 47 into 46. I will get here 2118760. So 33649 divided by 2118760. Here I will get 0. So P of x, probability of getting only science lectures are 0.0589. See here, there are 50 lectures in their college. In the 2023 belongs to science department. They are building a quarters of 5. They are writing randomly 5 lectures. Here they have asked what is the probability that all the 5s will be science department. So given data, let x denotes the quotas allotted to science lectures, and what is the theory part we will write. Then given data, A is 23, A plus B is 50, B is 27, N is 5. Then P of x is 5. We have to find out. So probability of only science lectures are being selected will be 0.01589. Okay. Now 8th problem is similar to like this only. You people will be doing your 8th problem as your homework. By this, your hypergeometry gets an end. Next class will be starting a normal distribution class. Okay. Thank you, students.